Let me show you 3 models here in Mira Mesa that are for sale, built by Shea Homes, and they're starting at around $850,000. They're right behind me. Let's take a tour. So we're gonna be touring these 3 units, which are all townhouses, 1, 2, and 3 different plans. They all are 2 bedrooms, and right behind, right there, I already toured those units as well, which are 3 and 4 bedrooms. But in the meantime, I'm gonna be showing you plan 6, which is 2 bed, 2.5 bath here in Mira Mesa. You walk in and you have your own security system. All new builds have that. You walk in and you have stairways going up. I believe you have a bedroom on the first floor. Yes, you do, with a view to the park outside. I really like how they painted the wall to make it feel more masculine, and the appliances that they chose are really nice. You do have a closet right next to the bedroom with a bathroom and shower. Pretty big shower. Now as we walk outside, it is a 2 bed, 2.5 bath. I don't think they have a garage yet, do they? No, they don't. You do have closet area on the first floor. I really like this area because it's very open to the park that's outside right here. Perfect for kids. And as we go upstairs, you are greeted with another storage area right here, which you can put clothes or shoes right there. And this unit specifically, even though it's only 2 bed, 2 bath, it feels very open because of the windows right next to the ceiling. There's windows all throughout the apartment, so it feels very much bigger than it actually is. Great place for the TV. You have an area for your couch and your dining area right next to your kitchen. The kitchen, they did it really nicely with the gold accent, and I think this is upgraded appliances. I don't quote me on that, but they have all the information on the website, and if you do need something else, I'll be more than happy to show you this property in person. I really like how the new build properties now have the LEDs underneath the cabinets. Gives it a little bit more of a pop. You do have another window right there in the kitchen. The sink is right here with the dishwasher, and you do have a bathroom right next to your kitchen area, which is great for guests coming over. As we walk upstairs, since it is a 2 bed, 2.5 bath, it's gonna be a much bigger unit. It's gonna feel much bigger than the other units that I've toured, but it's not completely closed off, meaning this bedroom right here is the master. It feels very, very big, but it's open to the living area and the stairs. So some people might not like it, and if you don't like it, you can always close it off. It should not cost too much, but you do have all of your appliances right here. Beautiful bed, plenty of space. You do have an office area. You can make it your own office, even a YouTube studio. This is the dishwasher and the dryer that's supposed to be here. You have another area here for the closet, which is pretty big. And as we come outside, that is something that you might have to talk about with your spouse if you like to have the open feel. If not, you can close it off. But I'm going to show you the other units. And all of these properties over here are first come, first serve. There is a list already and thousands of people applied to it. If you are interested, I'll be more than happy to get you on the list. But let's walk out and go to the other. And as I mentioned, you do have the park right here. And all of this community is completely brand new. They have been building it for quite some time. They just finished building it, and they're still selling some properties left. You have the plan 5 here, just under 1,700 square feet, 2 bed, 2.5 bath. Let's check it out. I'm curious what it looks like. All of them have the security system right here. Like all the other units, you have the stairs coming up with the hardwood floors. This is the first bedroom right here. I really like how Shea Homes stage all of their properties, all the model homes, and of course because they need to make it look good, make it look appealing. I really like the blue color. This is the first bath and shower. It's a new built home, and the HOA is about $371 a month. You have another bathroom right here for the guests to come into, and then the living area is very different than what we just saw. This is the office right now to go into our properties, and you do have, there are gonna be garage units of those units. They're currently staged, have a fridge in the property. I think they chose a really bold color on this unit, this light blue, but I also like the LEDs underneath. It feels very clean, very brand new. I really like that, and I'm sure a lot of other people are gonna like it. As we walk in, you have an interesting door over here that slides in and out. Another area for the couch. And the bathroom and shower, surprisingly, is very large. I really like the color that they chose here, especially with the floor. Dual vanity here, dual sinks, very pretty, very nice. You have the bathroom in here as well. And the walk-in closet, I think I like this one the most out of all the other units. Very spacious. Yes, this is the washer and the dryer on the second floor. I mean, on the third floor. Another closet area right here. So we have one more unit left of similar townhouses that are 2.5 baths. I really like these units because they feel much larger than they actually are. As we walk down, open the door, just listen to this. Kids playing. It's a very quiet area. All these homes are brand new, so you're gonna have neighbors that are very close to you. And we're gonna see plan 4 right now, which is just over 1,500 square feet. 2 bed, 2.5 bath. Let's check it out. You're gonna come some stairs up, and like all of them, you have the security system camera outside. So this one has the stairs going up for the second floor, but for the first floor, interesting enough, you have to go downstairs, and then you greet in, I believe, with a garage that's not open currently. Then you have another closet area here that you can put all of your shoes. And the bedroom is right here on the 4th floor with views of the park. I really like how they staged it, like all of the units. They're doing an amazing job. And I think that's the AC working right now. That's what you guys hear. Full bedroom with a bath and shower. Now I'm excited to go upstairs. With these stairs, I have not seen the unit like this before, but I'm very excited. So this is the last unit that we're gonna see. As you come up to the second floor, you have a bathroom right here for all of your guests, right here. You do have the AC outside right there, and then you also have the view of the park. Great windows, makes the house feel bigger. This is the living area where the family is gonna be living, and I believe right there is gonna be the bedroom. Now we're gonna see the kitchen area. You get to eat here with your family, breakfast, dinner, and then let's see the cabinets. The kitchen is very clean. My fiance would love this. This is beautiful. I like how there's lights all over. I believe this is also soft close, which it is. And then the appliances are beautiful. Everything is brand new. That's the one thing I like about brand new properties, townhouses, is that the maintenance, most likely you're not gonna have any maintenance for quite some time. Always inspect the property, but most likely it's gonna be in much better shape than any houses that were not built recently. As we go up the stairs, this is your master and last bedroom. Very open. This is the view of your bedroom on the 3rd floor with an area to do some work, which could be an office. I think this is from Lululemon actually. It's kind of cool, you get to work out here. And then you have an area for the TV, for your bedroom. And as we walk into the shower, you have another window over here with a great big shower. 2 sinks, beautiful vanity. And then going up, you have another bathroom. So I just showed you all the townhouses here, all the models, but I want to show you also the rec center here, and it's spectacular. It has a huge pool for all the residents, an amazing gym that looks just like Fit and Equinox, and also a hot tub. I'm gonna do a quick video tour around in this area, so let's check it out. So that is it. Those are the 3 units here in Shea Homes in Mira Mesa. The townhouses that are currently for sale. These ones are 2 bed, 2.5 bath. If you are potentially looking for a bigger home, There are also units here for 3 to 4 bedrooms with 3 baths. If you are not liking these units and you like to move in San Diego, I would love to help you. I'm a real estate agent here in San Diego, and I would love to find you a home, whether you're looking to buy or sell. I'm gonna leave all the information of this property and all the other units down in the description below of this YouTube channel. And if you are looking to move, feel free to reach out to me. I have all of my information always on my YouTube description right underneath this video. Until then, до свидания.